Hello friends, take a look at these pepper plants. Full of flowers, healthy, and growing beautifully. Right now, during flowering and early fruit formation, I always use one simple natural fertilizer that has become a yearly tradition in my garden. It's inexpensive, easy to make, and almost anyone can prepare it at home. The secret ingredient is wood ash. Many people throw it away, but gardeners know it can be useful because it contains natural minerals like potassium, calcium, and phosphorus. Potassium supports flowering and helps plants develop strong, healthy fruits. Calcium supports plant structure, while phosphorus helps roots stay active and healthy. One important note, only use ash from clean, untreated wood. Never painted or chemically treated wood. Here's how I prepare it. Add 1 kilogram of wood ash into a bucket and pour in 5 liters of hot or boiled water. Mix well and leave it to sit for about 1 hour. After that, strain the liquid and dilute it 1-to-1 with clean water, giving you about 10 liters of fertilizer solution. Apply it directly around the base of your pepper plants. Use around ½ liter to 1 liter per plant, depending on plant size. Now all that's left is regular care and watching the peppers develop over the next weeks. Have you ever used wood ash in your garden? Share your experience in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a season full of healthy plants and rich harvests.